Did you know that you have around 30 days until summer? How exciting! Are you preparing for the most beautiful time of the year? Today, I am sharing this video to give you 4 easy steps to glow up for this summer. They are simple, easy to follow, and bring great results for me every summer. Imagine 30 days from now when you are the calmest, most secure and most confident version of yourself. If that's what are you looking for, you are in the right place. So I am going to divide this summer glow up into 2 main parts, your mind and your body. Why start with the mind first? I encourage you to start with your mind first because with a strong and clear mindset, everything else falls into place. Your mind is like a foundation of a house. If it is shaky, the rest of your life will feel unstable. So how do you start? The first thing I want you to do is reset your mind. If you don't want to do it, you should click off this video. Again, this isn't about fixing yourself. It's about doing things that make you feel great. So how do you reset your mind? The first thing you should do when you wake up should not be checking your phone. Try to avoid that. Keep your phone somewhere far away from your bed. Turn off notification or even turn off your phone completely. Stop feeding your mind with a mess on social media at the beginning of the day. I guess you don't want your day to become messy, right? I also practice this, and I know it is hard, but it is great for your mental health, I promise. I start my morning with 15 to 20 minutes of meditation. If you have never meditated before, now is the perfect time to start. Begin with the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes. Meditation helps you calm yourself, increase focus, and reduce anxiety. Finish your meditation with a small gratitude practice like saying, I am grateful for having a roof over my head, and ask God or the universe to support your dreams. Keep doing this every morning for 30 days. Next, aims to give generous compliments at least 3 to 4 times a week to create a positive impact on yourself and people around you. It will also increase your communication skills and help you step out of your comfort zone. Don't forget to compliment yourself too. Also, detox your social media. Unfollow accounts or contents that feels negative or draining. I would also check my camera roll and delete photos and videos that I repeat or that I don't need anymore. Create more space for my summer holidays. Now you know how to grow up your mind. In my past video, I have received many positive comments and they mean the world to me. Thank you all for those sweet words. Did you know that you can actually talk to me in person? Right now, I am offering a 15-minute free call where we can open up and talk as friends. If you are feeling lost or stuck at some point in your life and you believe I can help you, don't miss out this chance. I am only offering this free call for a limited time. So take the first step, go to the description box and book your free call with me. I will see you there. Second part, glow up your body. I will divide it into 3 steps. Step 1, nourish your body. Think of your body like a machine. The quality of the materials you use to build and maintain it will determine how well it functions. If you use cheap, low-quality parts, the machine will break down and run poorly. But when you use high-quality, nutrient-rich food, it's like upgrading to premium components. Your machine will run smoothly, efficiently, and last longer. Let's focus on filling your body with the best food you can to keep it strong, energized, and performing at its best. So, how do you nurture your body? First, take time to list the food you are eating. If you are eating too much fast food, fried food, or sweets, you will need to cut those down. If you find it hard to cut sugar, replace it with healthier options like stevia or allulose. They are zero-calorie sweeteners. Never keep your breakfast. Make it a full protein meal. Eat breakfast like a queen. Check out how many grams of protein you need a day. If you eat big lunch, you can skip dinner occasionally. Don't be afraid to eat good fats like avocados or nuts, and eat fruits like oranges, pomelos, or berries for glowing skin. Step 2. Move your body. If you are already working out, that's great. Keep doing it. If you are not, don't worry. Start small by aiming for 7,000 to 10,000 steps per day. Walk your dog out longer while you walk. Try to observe your surroundings and stay mindful. Sometimes a silent walk can be so powerful. Or you can find other activities you enjoy and can spend energy on without feeling exhausted. It could be dancing, yoga, or even gardening. Just move your body in a way that feels good to you. Step 3. Pamper your body. For the last week of your 30-day glow up plan, I recommend booking an appointment for your nails, eyelashes, or skincare. If you are planning to go to the beach soon, wax or laser your hair, scrub your body, and moisturize it so you will feel refreshed. Reward yourself because you deserve it. And finally, reflect on your journey. Take a moment to look back on your progress. Think about how you can keep these habits going after 30 days are over. And don't forget to celebrate how far you have come. It's important to set realistic and achievable goals. Instead of trying to change everything at once, focus on small, everyday steps that add up to big results over time. Keep it simple, stay consistent, and keep moving forward. Now you know how to grow up this summer by following 4 simple steps I shared above. Self-care can feel overwhelming and might not bring results if you overdo it. I have seen a lot of people fall into that trap. So I have created other videos here to help you keep it simple and not to get lost in the process. I will leave them here for you. Okay, you have got this. Good luck on your glow up journey. See you next week. Bye.